Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the camera auto center on Dune Awakening. In order to do so, go to Settings and then in Gameplay tab scroll down until you find Disable Camera Auto Center, and if you set it to on, then it will be disabled. It's quite weird that they've named it this way, but yeah, if it's set to now on, then auto center is disabled, and when it's set to off, then auto center is enabled. And also it's applied for vehicles, as you can see right here. Remember to apply the change using the enter key on your keyboard. And that's all for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.